was right. For God's Holy Spirit spoke to my heart that night. He showed me.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor Oji. Buksan po natin ang ating Biblia sa aklat ng 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 24. Ito po ang pagkasabi, He who calls you is faithful, who also will do it. My topic for this morning, do your best and leave the rest. Si Apostle Paul po mga kapatid na nag-encourage mga kapatid sa taga-Thessalonians na ibigay nila ang kanilang lahat-lahat sa Panginoon, no? Because God is faithful. Sinabi niya, they were to exhort, warn, comfort, rejoice, pray, and express their gratitude to God. Kung titingnan niyo po, they are asked to do the best. Maging tayo man din, we too should always do our best in our Christian life and service. But when pressure periods come, and we just don't have the time we feel we need, we should do the best we can and then prayerfully trust God's faithfulness. There are times mga kapatid na hirap ka na, para bang gipit na gipit ka na sa panahon. Para bang hindi mo na alam kung ano, nasa-stress ka na no, sa gawaing binigay sa iyo. Maaring isa kang worship leader, o di kaya MC ka ba, o di kaya nag-a-usher ka, stress ka. Just do the best that you can and give the best to the Lord. And remember that God will do the rest for you. Last point po na gusto kong banggitin sa inyo, be faithful and leave the results to God. Kung gawin lang natin yung the best natin, you will see the results and you will find out only that God has done beyond what you can do. Gawin lang natin ang pinaka-the best and God will do the rest. At tayo maniniwala na hindi tayo pababayaan ng ating Panginoon and everything will go so smooth beyond our strength. Gagawin ng ating Panginoon mga kapatid. Basta ang una lang natin gawin natin ang pinaka-the best na kaya natin gawin. God bless po at magandang umaga.